Scientists may have discovered the key to eternal youth by controlling cell death. In China, a technology providing supervision has been created. At Google, they've developed an artificial intelligence that designs AI itself and is already saving millions of dollars. These stories and other high-tech news, including in-body organ printing and self-healing muscles for robots, in this episode. Servers for AI. The race for computational power for artificial intelligence is reaching a new scale. The Colossus supercomputer, built by Elon Musk's XAI, has reached a capacity of 200,000 GPUs and consumes 300 megawatts of energy, equivalent to powering 300,000 private homes. This colossal resource is used to train advanced AI models like Grok and Tesla's autopilot. However, even this is not enough. The entrepreneur has announced plans to acquire over 1 million computing accelerators from AMD and NVIDIA for his companies, emphasizing that competition in the AI market requires unprecedented investment in infrastructure. Scientists have made a sensational discovery that could be the key to slowing down aging. They have proven that necrosis, the chaotic death of cells, is not just a consequence of disease, but a triggering mechanism for the body's breakdown. It acts like a chain reaction. One damaged cell ruptures, and its toxic contents cause inflammation and fibrosis in neighboring cells. This process is believed to underlie Alzheimer's disease, heart failure, and tissue aging. Necrosis also poses a danger for long-duration space missions, as it accelerates in microgravity and radiation. The solution could be to temporarily block necrosis, giving the body a chance to regenerate and renew. This discovery could form the basis of new anti-aging drugs and ensure safety in the exploration of other planets. Advanced vision, even in the dark. Chinese scientists have brought the scenario of supervision closer to reality by creating contact lenses with a night vision effect. The technology works without bulky goggles or injections. The lenses are embedded with nanoparticles that capture infrared radiation and convert it into visible light signals. During experiments, participants could distinguish the direction of infrared light even with their eyelids closed. At this stage, the technology has limitations, such as low resolution and functioning only with IR LEDs, but researchers are already working on increasing its sensitivity. Robots will be able to self-repair endlessly. Engineers at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln have developed synthetic muscles that not only move, but are also capable of self-healing from damage. Their 3-layer structure provides unique functionality. The top layer drives the muscle's movement, the bottom layer is an electronic skin with liquid metal droplets, and the middle layer consists of a thermoplastic polymer. When damaged, the insulation is breached, the metal droplets connect, and the resulting current heats the middle layer, which melts and heals the wound. Afterward, a strong electrical discharge breaks the connection, returning the muscle to its original state. Atlas from Boston Dynamics has learned to be useful. The Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics has demonstrated significant progress towards real-world application. To perform the task of sorting auto parts at a Hyundai factory, the robot uses a complex perception system. It includes 2D awareness for object recognition, 3D localization for spatial orientation, and a special tracker to monitor objects even if they leave the camera's field of view. A pose estimation system allows the robot to determine precisely how to pick up an object and where to move it. Atlas can adapt to difficult conditions, recognize errors, and independently replan its actions. Engineers state that the robot is ready for pilot projects in various fields. Printing tissues inside the human body. Researchers from Tech have introduced a technology that allows for the printing of biological tissues directly inside the body without surgery. Special bioinks are injected into the body and then activated using focused ultrasound. The ultrasound penetrates deep into tissues without damaging them and triggers the printing process in the desired shape, creating an implant or even a mini reservoir for drugs. The technology has already been successfully tested on animals, with scientists managing to print elements inside the stomach, bladder, and muscles. They also slowed tumor growth by creating a drug reservoir directly on it. Google's AI develops itself. Engineers at Google DeepMind created and launched the Alpha Evolve model, an artificial intelligence that invents new algorithms on its own. A scientist defines the task and provides the source data, and Alpha Evolve generates dozens of solutions. An integrated evaluation mechanism then filters out weak options, while the best ones are refined in a process resembling evolution. As a result, 75% of the solutions matched the best human-developed ones, and 20% surpassed them. Alpha Evolve has already provided practical benefits, helping Google save millions of dollars by optimizing computational processes and suggesting improvements for future processor generations. FALCON will teach robots to be stable. Engineers at Carnegie Mellon University have created FALCON, a system that teaches humanoid robots to maintain balance while performing forceful tasks. FALCON uses a dual-brain approach. One controller manages locomotion and leg stability, while the other handles precise hand actions, including pressure force. After training in a simulation where the robot is subjected to external forces, it demonstrates twice the accuracy in hand movements and maintains stability even under a pressure of 100 newtons. The technology is universal and does not require calibration for specific robot models. A real transforming robot. Engineers at Caltech have created the transforming robot AMO that converts from a drone to a rover in midair. It flies, smoothly lowers its wheels, lands, and immediately continues moving on the ground. The secret lies in an AI-based control system that adjusts the thrust of each propeller in real time, accounting for air resistance and the transformation angle. This enables dynamic landing even on rough terrain. Elon Musk's space ambitions. Despite the recent loss of a Starship vehicle and its booster rocket, SpaceX continues active preparations for a Mars mission. Elon Musk promises to conduct tests every 3 to 4 weeks with the goal of sending an uncrewed mission by 2026 and a crewed one by 2028 or 29. Plans include building 2 giant factories to produce 1,000 Starship vehicles per year, enabling launches every 1 to 2 hours. The company's expected revenue this year is $15.5 billion, comparable to NASA's budget. Tesla Optimus got an update. The Tesla Optimus robot has received an update that allows it to perform useful household tasks. In a demo video, the robot autonomously opens a cabinet, cleans a table, sweeps the floor, washes dishes, cooks on a stove, and irons clothes. The secret lies in a unified neural network trained on videos of human actions. This significantly accelerates skill development, as each movement no longer needs to be manually programmed. Robot mastered Chinese cuisine. The Chinese company Robot Terra has introduced the Star 1 robot with the X1 robotic hand that has 12 degrees of freedom. This allows it to perform complex and precise movements that closely mimic human actions, such as making dumplings, pouring wine, and even using chopsticks. The hand is equipped with tactile sensors, capable of determining surface texture and temperature. Robot Parkour, now they run on walls. Engineers from the Korean University KIST have introduced the Ribo robot that can not only run, but also climb walls, jump over 1.5-meter gaps, and race up stairs. This is achieved by a smart planning algorithm that quickly maps out the optimal route and uses a neural network to coordinate movements. During training, the robot practices in complex environments created by a generative model. Robot test drive in unpredictable conditions. The company LimX Dynamics conducted a test of its bipedal Robot 1 by placing it in the bed of a moving truck without any support. The vehicle performed sharp maneuvers, sudden stops, accelerations, and turns. The robot relied solely on its onboard control system to maintain balance and successfully handled this difficult challenge to its dynamic stability. The Chinese solved Elon Musk's Hyperloop problems. Chinese scientists have developed a hybrid suspension system that solves the problem of strong vibrations in Hyperloop systems. The system includes pneumatics, an electromagnetic stabilizer, and adaptive damping technology, which has reduced vibrations by 46%. This makes traveling at 600 kilometers per hour more comfortable and brings the realization of high-speed transport systems closer.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. To not miss the next news, subscribe to the channel. Bye.